flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I am back with another video. What up? It's another Halloween costume. I love this. Like, I didn't know what I was doing when I first started doing this, but this is what we came up with. We got a little flimsy $10 wig on. Man, look at my part. Anyway, it's just for the aesthetics of the look. If you want to see how I turn myself into Poison Ivy, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know, sis. I'll see you guys in my next video. Keep on watching. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we are going to do is prime our face. We're going to use our No Problem primer and our No Essence primer together. So after our face is primed, we're going to go in with our fave, Fenty. This is the color 450, and this is the Matte Pro Filter foundation. Now we're going to go in with our Morphe Concealers. This is the color C415, and this is the color C555. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and set our face. We're going to use our Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go off camera and do one eye, and I'll come back and show you how I do the other eye because I'm not sure where I'm going with it just yet. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did this side so I could figure out what exactly I was doing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did that right now. So I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer and I'm going to take an angled liner brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as if I was still doing my regular eyebrows. I'm going to go in with this liner, this flat concealer brush. So I'm going to go in with my Playing With Makeup by Yolondo palette. And this is the Jam Red Universal Eyeshadow palette. And it has, this palette is gorgeous. It's black owned brand. Look at those colors, like sister, not sister in play. So I'll link this down below so you guys can purchase it as well. So I'm going to go in with the color Zen or Zen, Z-E-E-N, and I'm going to use that on my eyebrow. We're going to just pack it in. Do not swipe, just pack, because if you swipe you might lift up the concealer and it'll just show black. These are like pretty much perfect. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go back with a regular concealer brush and back with my LA Girl concealer. And I'm just going to clean that up just a little bit. Okay, so now that I like my brow, I'm actually going to go back in with my Morphe Concealer to prime my lids because I can't find my Sister Cosmetics one. I don't know where that it is. It's somewhere around, but I'm not about to look for it. So I'm just going to prime my lid with that, and I'm just going to pat that in. Okay, so once that's packed in, I'm going to stick with my Jam Rock Universal palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Yardy, which is this green right here. So I don't know if you can tell, but this side I brought it down a little bit, and I want to do that because I'm using that as a marker for when I contour. Okay, so once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to go in with the color Tropical, which is that lime green there on the side underneath that ivory that I used earlier. And I'm just going to blend out this green with this lime green by putting the color right on top of it and blending it out. After that, I'm going to go in with the color Blackish, which is the black in the palette right there. And I'm just going to put that right in the crease. Okay, so once I'm done with that color, I'm going to go back in with that green, which is called Yardy, and I'm just going to blend that together. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so now that I've dusted off the setting powder, we finished the other eye. I'm going to go back in with that same brush that I used to do my crease because it's angled, and I'm just going to bring down this green as a contour. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to contour around. So okay, so once I'm done with that part, I'm going to actually grab something flat-ish from the middle of my ear to like my mouth. That'll be my angle, and I'm just going to contour with the green. Boom, boom shakalaka. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so for blush, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something a little bit odd and different. There's an orange here called Yasso. No, that's a little bit too bright. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color Nude right here, which is kind of like an orangey, peachy nude. And I'm gonna just tap it off a little bit and just kind of go over that like this. Okay, now I do like the Yasso. Okay, so I just added the Yasso on top of that. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my wonderful Beauty Bakerie highlight. This is the So Icy Illuminator in the color Glaze. Glaze, country glaze. So I just got the idea to actually add some green here on my neck. Okay, so now what we are going to do is I'm gonna add some fun to my eyebrow area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it off camera on the first side, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I do it, because I don't know how I'm doing it. We winging it, clearly. I'm back. Hey guys, I am back. I couldn't find my eyelash glue, so I'm using Elmer's glue, and it's not sticking that well. I keep having to keep messing with it, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the other side on camera. They don't have to be exact, but you want it to look as the same as possible. These are fake leaves. I've said this before, but I have such a difficult time getting things to look identical. I don't know why I'm so bad at it. So I think I want to put them one here and another here, just to give the look a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to go on my Dose of Colors Kiss of Fire liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and throw on my wig, and I will be right back.